Did you know that farmers are losing up to 40% of their tomato yields due to fungal diseases that they did not see coming? We are crop health. We are building a predictive infrastructure for African food security by stopping fungal diseases before they start. Meet Mr. Berenti, a farmer from Msanze. He invested his entire life saving into his seeds, only for late blight to strike his field overnight. Just one night of mist creates the biological window for total crop failure. The impact? He loses 40% of his yield, his entire profit margin. This is more than a personal tragedy. This is a national crisis since agriculture supports 70% of Rwandans. Yet we are still losing the battle to this invisible enemy. Why are we losing? Because fungal outbreaks thrive in a specific microclimate, requiring high humidity and temperatures around 18 degrees Celsius. Farmers currently rely on calendar spraying or waiting for visual signs of decay, but by the time the symptoms appear, the infection has already spread. Without localized real-time data, they have no way to prevent this infection before it happens.
We build a crop health. We put small solar-powered box directed in field.
Well, how does it work? First, we deploy it on the field. It tracks the climate data, and then when the threshold of humidity and temperature is met, the device will directly communicate to the farmer's uh, cell phone through SMS alerts in their native language, which is Kinyarwanda, to make sure that they can take action only when it's necessary.
We are currently piloting in Hotsi and Waza, where 80% of households drive high-value agriculture. Our roadmap includes expanding across Rwanda's high-altitude hubs and then across East Africa. Long-term, we see crop health as a global defense against late blight in every tropical region facing epidemic pressures. We use B2B2C model to remove financial barriers. By partnering with cooperatives and government entities, we can deploy hardware at scale. For a subscription fee of just $15 per month per hectare, we protect over $2,000 of crop value. We also generate revenue through a one-time $120 installation and B2B data licensing for aggregated soil and crop health intelligence. Our results speak for themselves. After 100 hours of ethnographic research and technical validation, our algorithm adapted from lightcast models has achieved 92% accuracy with zero false positive. We have proven system resilience even in the highest moisture environment in Gwaza sector. Traditional calendar spraying is wasteful and toxic. Current reactive satellite apps tell you when a plant is already rotting, at which point profit is gone. We are proactive by monitoring the environment before the infection. We reduce chemical use and save that critical 40% of yields.
We are a team of software engineers from University of Rwanda who has traded the classroom for the field. We spent hundreds of hours in the woods of Musanze to make our technology work in the real world.
We want investors, partners, and agricultural cooperatives that want to lead regional expansion of crop health.
Our project will have a big impact to the Rwanda's agriculture sector. With the crop health, farmers will be able to save up to 40% of their crops, reduce chemical overuse, and protect their income. We are not just improving agriculture, we are securing food and livelihood across Africa.